NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.1, Question 3. Multiple choice question 3. The value of the expression cosecant of 75 degrees plus theta minus secant of 15 degrees minus theta minus tan of 55 degrees plus theta plus cot of 35 degrees minus theta is option A -1, option B 0, option C 1, option D 3/2. Answer. Let us write the given expression. The given expression contains theta, but there is no theta in the options. And also observe that the pairs cosecant and secant are related and tan and cot are related. So what we will do is we will convert cosecant into secant and tan into cot. How can we do that? We know that cosecant of 90 degrees minus x is equal to secant of x, and tan of 90 degrees minus x is equal to cot of x. Now we shall convert cosecant of 75 degrees plus theta into secant of x. How can we write the 75 degrees plus theta in terms of 90 minus x? 75 is 90 degrees minus 15 degrees. So 15. In the given expression we have plus theta. Since we are using minus as common, we can write minus theta inside the brackets. Therefore, in the given expression, cosecant of 75 degrees plus theta can be written as cosecant of 90 degrees minus of 15 minus theta minus, let us write the given secant as is, secant of 15 degrees minus theta minus, let us convert this tan of 55 plus theta into cot, tan of 55 degrees plus theta. How can we write this 55 plus theta in terms of 90 minus x? 90 minus, how do we get 55? 90 minus 35 is 55. We can write 35 degrees minus theta as x. Therefore, tan of 55 degrees plus theta is equal to tan of 90 degrees minus of 35 degrees minus theta plus, and let us write the cot as is, that is equal to, you know that cosecant of 90 degrees minus x is equal to, where x is 15 degrees minus theta, is equal to secant of x. What is x here? 15 degrees minus theta. So we can write it as secant of 15 degrees minus theta minus, we already have secant of 15 degrees minus theta minus, how can we write tan 90 minus x? We can write it as cot x. And what is x here? 35 degrees minus theta. Therefore, we can write it as cot of 35 degrees minus theta plus, we already have cot of 35 degrees minus theta. First and second terms we can cancel them because magnitude is same but signs are different, plus and minus. Similarly, third and fourth terms, that is equal to 0. Therefore, the given expression has been evaluated to 0. From the given options, option B is the right answer. Therefore, the value for the given expression is option B 0.